Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Guys, today I have a super exciting video because I am going shopping, but not in your conventional terms. Stay tuned to find out what I'm gonna do. So guys, many of you may have heard about the MODABOX. If you have not heard about them, go check them out right now. This company is awesome. I have to say, this is one of the boxes that I have been the most excited about unboxing for in a long time. Now, what is the MODABOX? The MODABOX is a box that is shipped straight to your door, and it is basically filled with awesome clothing that has been handpicked by a stylist in New York exclusively for you. Yes, that is correct. You may want to rewind and repeat that because that is so awesome. The MODABOX delivers personally styled outfits straight to your doorstep. Now, let's talk about how this process actually works. Now, first thing that you need to do is you will go onto the MODABOX website and you will create your own style profile. Now, I really had a lot of fun doing this because basically they ask you a lot of different questions, but they're all pretty simple questions and the quiz is not like way too long either. So I just did it one evening lying in bed. So for example, do you prefer wearing pants as opposed to dresses or skirts? Do you like stripes? Do you like pattern fabrics? You've got to basically choose from a variety of different options. Like if they gave you a panel of different patterned fabrics, which one do you like? What don't you like? There's also space for special comments. So let's just say you're going to a wedding and you need help selecting a dress. You can make that note down in the comment box. Or for example, one of my comments I noted was that I like to wear kind of clothing that's quite simple because I want to rather accentuate my curves and not go with like way too many patterns and stuff because it tends to make me look larger. So I prefer to go for things that are have a more slimming effect. So that was one of my comments I put for my stylist. So basically you submit the quiz and then what happens is you often hear back from your stylist. She may then have a couple questions for you because she's curating your box. So she asked me a couple questions like, am I opposed to this? Do I like the idea of that? What is, for example, the inseam length of my legs so they can make sure that if they put in tight pants and jeans that they fit exactly right in terms of length. So there are a couple questions and then you leave them to work their magic. Now, MODABOX does have 3 different box options. You get the Select box, which includes 2 fully styled outfits, the Premier box, which I will be featuring, which features 4 fully styled outfits, or the Luxe box, which features 6 fully styled outfits. Something I really love about the MODABOX is that they have something for everybody. They carry sizes from extra small up to 3XL. So no matter what your body type is, they will have something for you and the stylists to help accentuate your beautiful body. You will need to pay a deposit on your box. Depending on the box that you select, whether it's the Premier or the Luxe, the deposit varies slightly. So once you've received your box, you have a few days to select the items that you would like to keep. Whatever you don't want to keep, you basically ship back to them and you will not be charged for the items that you do not keep. And MODABOX offers free shipping. Now guys, I was so excited to get my MODABOX. Initially, I do have some hesitations because I'm a fussy person. I'm not gonna lie. But maybe most ladies, I suppose even men, are quite fussy about the clothes that they put on their body. So I was a little bit skeptical as to whether the stylist would be able to put things together that I would actually love, that would look good on my body, because I also do have a pear-shaped figure and I often look at things and think, man, my butt looks so huge in those. I definitely do not like them. So I was skeptical, in a box, am I gonna actually find anything that I like? Now the first thing I noticed upon opening and receiving my box was how incredibly heavy the box was. The box was jam-packed full with goodies. Now that was so exciting. Okay, so I opened up the box and I had 4 styled outfits. Now, as you can see, I was opening them there and showing you as I was looking at the items. Now what I really loved about the way they presented the clothing was certain items that should be worn together were also kind of placed together. So that also just helps to take the brain work out of thinking about what exactly goes with what. Now in my MODABOX, shoes were included as well as a beautiful necklace. Now I have seen some other MODABOX unboxings where shoes and accessories weren't included, but I guess that just depends on what you put in your style profile. I love shoes and I always love accessories, so I really wanted the stylist to put together a whole look for me, and I'm really glad I did that, because in so many instances that necklace just looked beautiful with so many of the different pieces that it was just absolutely gorgeous. Now some things that really surprised me about the MODABOX was that, first of all, a lot of things were according to like my style preference. It's kind of items that I probably would have picked for myself in terms of the pants. Like I like slim fitting pants and all of them were lovely and slim fitting. Even the skirt was high-waisted, which is something that I really like for myself. But many of the tops were like quite unique and different, and I must say that upon like first glance I would never have picked those off the shelf for myself, but when I put them on, I'm like, where have you been all my life? Seriously, the stylist that styled my box knew exactly what she was doing. Guys, out of all the outfits that were in my box, I probably would have kept 99% of the things. Only one top I wouldn't have kept because it just felt a little tight. But then again, MODABOX does do size exchanges as well if they have stock of that item. So I could have actually asked for a bigger item, a bigger size in that item. It really shocked and surprised me how using the MODABOX stylists took me out of my comfort zone, but not like too out of my comfort zone. It wasn't like, whoa, it was me, but just looking at items that possibly I would never have selected for myself. And what really shocked me, first of all, was how well everything fitted. Secondly, how everything went so beautifully together. And what I also noticed was the way the stylist put the box together was that I did not just have to wear the jeans with that top. The top worked with the skirt, the top worked with the other jeans as well, with other pants. So everything kind of could be mixed and matched. So if I had kept the entire box, I would have gotten more than 4 styled outfits. I would have been able to probably put together between 8 to maybe even 10 different looks by mixing and matching. And I thought that was pretty phenomenal. The stylist was very clever with the items she picked. I must say, this totally blew my mind. Like, this really took me from a skeptic to an absolute believer. I seriously would use a MODABOX again, because I just love that you have somebody looking at your body, looking at your style preferences, saying, look, let's tweak it like this. You could look good in this too. And so it really expanded my fashion vocabulary, if I could say that. I really felt that my wardrobe is now expanded, and it's taken me in a whole nother look. And also things that all complemented my body. I really had so much fun doing this. This was like one of the best days of my week for like a long time. It was just so much fun trying on clothing, and the best part was trying on clothing that all kind of looked and fitted and made me feel good. So guys, if you want to have this same experience, go check down below in our video description box for a link to the MODABOX website. We have also included a $25 voucher for you there. So if you do decide to purchase from MODABOX or get your first MODABOX, you will receive $25 off your order, which is also pretty awesome. Guys, comment on our Facebook page as well. Let us know what your favorite outfit was that you thought that you would have kept, or if there was items that you've tried from MODABOX before. Share your experience with us, because we always love hearing from you. Thank you so much to MODABOX for making me feel great, and well done to my stylist who did an amazing job. Take care, and we'll see you next time.